Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this session, we will be using the MCP server to create an API test using the Karate framework. The scenario we will work on is the same one we explored in previous videos to understand the core concept of Karate. Let's begin with the simple GET request. In our Eclipse project, I will open the feature file for the GET request and extract some data to create the prompt. Next, I will open the Claude desktop application and begin crafting the prompt. This prompt will instruct the MCP server to generate an API test for the GET request. We will provide the base URL along with the context path, and we will also specify that the validation should focus on the response status code only. As you can see, the MCP server has successfully generated the API test for the GET request. Now let's move on to creating the API test for the POST request. For this, we will use the JSON schema provided in the Swagger documentation. This schema will be applied to both the request body and the response body. Let's begin crafting the prompt. As you can see, the MCP server has successfully generated the API test for the POST request based on the given prompt. Next, let's add authentication mechanism to our API test. The MCP server has now rewritten the test by adding the authentication header. As you can see, using the MCP server make it incredibly easy to create API test with Karate framework. This approach not only simplifies API testing, but can also be extended to write UI automation tests and even performance tests. Even though we are using the AI to generate the API test, it is important to understand the underlying concept. This knowledge allows us to interpret and validate the code that the AI produces, ensuring accuracy and reliability. So that's all for this video, and thanks for watching.